Well, it's time for another packaging expose of some of the work that we've done here at Pearl Resourcing. And this is going to be a case study of a client who had an urgent event that they wanted to design specialty packaging for. They wanted to impress this clientele, and they needed to make sure that what they created not only kept their products safe, but helped to give awesome instructions for how to use all the elements within the box. So we helped an exclusive and incredible company called SAFECAMP. And as we all know, with the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a need for COVID testing on site at your business. And so this company has been helping people to allow their clients or their employees to go back to work safely by providing on-site testing for small and large businesses. So this box is actually one that we created for that company to be able to provide COVID-19 tests. And you can see here that this box is absolutely gorgeous. On the back, it describes more information about the company, so that way anyone who gets it can read all about them. And then of course, we have custom illustrations of the instructions that we made that was not only on brand, but very clear and simple. And then we created die cut samples where the client could actually see what it would be like to insert all the different elements of their test kit and safely be able to keep it. So just imagine, in there will be this little test file. In here will be the laboratory test and the bag and the swab. So this box we created in a matter of 3 weeks. So they were able to pack it out and ship it out to clients. Now, normally we don't do that fast of a turnaround because it's very hard to create high quality products that are well thought out. But we were able to do it just because this client was really organized. They had amazing information. And so we were able to very quickly jump on the project and create them white samples, which is a structural design service we provide. And it helps to identify what the die line in the box should look like, the dimensions, and the printable space of the box, as well as to get you a sample so you can do testing for whatever your project might be. We also did visual design. So we did the packaging artwork. They had an existing brand, and we took that brand and did a product line extension, making it more elaborate for their boxes. And so we did custom illustrations to explain their instructions, help them to get new font files that would help with the, staying on brand, but maybe adding some more diversity and making their brand more robust. So we did structural design, visual design, and then we ended up doing mass production. So that's another service that we provide here at Pearl Resourcing, where we mass produced thousands of boxes for them and shipped them to their office so that they could start packing them and mailing them out to their clients. This is another one of the boxes that we created for them, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's larger. It has to do with a 5-day antigen test. You can see the cute custom illustrations that we did. We designed all of those ourselves, hand drawn, and then of course the die cut inserts so that they can put products inside and be able to safely mail that to their clients. And since we knew this person who received this would need to do one test a day, we're sure to include things like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, so that the process, which can be a little cumbersome for an antigen test, would be super clear. So we also have their contact information on the back. I think this box is absolutely incredible. I'm literally picking it up hot off the press from the printer, and I wanted to share it with you. And it turns out that I'm wearing red, which I couldn't have planned it better. I matched the brand of SAFECAMP's logo. So if you would like to have SAFECAMP actually provide on-site COVID testing, you can reach their website at gosafecamp.com. And if you're interested in having your packaging designed by Pearl Resourcing, I highly recommend you go to pearlresourcing.net, and you can see the 6 services that we provide and see how we could help you get going as fast as possible. Thanks for enjoying our case study, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your biggest challenge is when it comes to designing packaging. What's the normal lead times you've experienced? What have been your nightmare stories, as well as your awesome blessing stories of working with different companies that have helped you to take your idea and get it selling fast. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it. Bye.